Hi everyone, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques Restoration. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to get these gold highlights on your pieces of restored furniture. Super easy, okay? So what it's called gilding wax. You can buy this product here at like Hobby Lobby, craft stores. You can order it on Amazon. I'm shocked that I paid this amount many years ago, but that shows you how much this lasts. I probably bought this 5 years ago when I was first starting out with restoring furniture. Look how much I paid for that. That's insane. I'm usually very frugal. I paid $26.99 for this. I don't even know why I bought it. You know, it shows you how much I use it. I am starting to use it a lot more. I know you can find it cheaper than that, but I way overspent. So it's called gilding wax, and it comes in all these different metallic hues, like pure gold, bright gold, champagne, silver, platinum, copper. This one here is like your standard gold color. It's a very thick, like paste. It is a wax, and you can apply it many different ways, and it's a way to accent your painted pieces of furniture. It just really takes them up a notch. I mean, look at this piece here. Can you imagine what it would look like if I didn't have all that gold highlighting on it? That's what makes this piece, okay? So get yourself some of this gilding wax. It's super easy to apply. So you can either apply it with the tip of your finger. I use my weakest finger. That's your ring finger. I don't know if you guys all knew that, but it is. So I just dip my finger in there, and then I just lightly rub it on with my finger, and then that's it. Then you can let it just dry. You don't have to put anything on top. So I'm rubbing. I did this a couple nights ago. Nothing is coming off on my finger. It's on there, okay? So that's what's another great thing about this. And you get artsy fartsy with it, and you go along. You can go along like the edges in between your drawers, or you can go along the edges of your drawers. Any ornate type piece that you kind of want to highlight, you want it to pop, put it on there. It's a truly amazing product. So you can use the tip of your finger. You can also use like a small brush. You can get these at your local craft store. Use any of these, and it does rinse off. I use Dawn soap to rinse the brush after I'm done with it, and you just dip it in. So what I'm going to show you guys is I have a sample board here so you can see it's the same color. This is Abyss. It's a 1 hour enamel paint by Wise Owl. Love it. I just finished my first project with it, and that's the one behind me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, let's first just use my finger. I'll show you that one, okay? So you don't need a lot. Just dab it on. Okay, there's my little sample board. And I'm going to show you guys how easy this is. And a little goes a long way. Okay, I just did that with my finger. Can you see that? So can you imagine doing that like around the perimeter of a dresser drawer? Amazing. Okay, so you can either do that with your finger. Now if you have raised areas where you want to get into like these ornate areas, I did use my finger on the top part of it, but when I wanted to get around the edges, I did use like a little detail brush. So the same thing, you just want to dip it in. I mean, you are only getting just a little bit on your brush, and then you just go along the edges. So I usually use my finger when I'm going along the edges or on like a smoother surface. And then if you see here, I needed to get into these grooves here around these lines. That's when I used my little itsy bitsy brush. So it's super easy to apply, really easy. So it's a nice way to just jazz up your pieces and make them just look so amazing. This piece right here, it just looks so much more regal with the gold highlighting on it. So it's very simple. I'm going to include, after I'm talking here, I did take a quick video when I was starting to do, I believe it was this one, and I was using my fingertips showing you how to do that. just so you can see it in a live action sequence. So I'll put that on right now so you guys can see that, and then we'll come back. Hi everyone, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques Restoration. I'm going to do a quick video for you guys to show you how easy it is to spruce up your pieces and really glamorize them, make them look very royal and regal by using gilding wax. It's so easy. So I have some right here, little canister. Hi Biscuit. All right, so I'm taking my finger, dipping it in, and there's the area that I want to put it on. Look how easy this is. You just use your fingertips. Well, I use my fingertips. And look at that. Easy peasy. Look what I've done so far on this dresser. Isn't that beautiful? Look how that just takes your project to a whole new level of royalty. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial on how to apply gilding wax to your restored furniture projects. Biscuit and I thank you very much. If you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I'm almost at 300, you guys. I'm like at 297. Come on. So you'll find my subscribe button in the lower right hand corner if you have your screen in the full view mode, okay? So on your phone, your laptop, or your iPad, it has to be in the full screen. Then you'll see my subscribe button. It's a red button. It's in the lower right hand corner. You can't miss it, okay? So till we see you guys again, thanks so much for joining us. I truly, truly appreciate you watching, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye. Biscuit, say bye. Can you say bye? Bye.